final section, I'm going to show you how to add text to your slide. So let's go and find one of the many different ones here, and I'll just choose the ones, the little kittens in a cup. And we're going to do the same thing as before. We'll make this 1 second long, set our out point, and then by hitting the period key, we'll drop this in. Now we need, as you can see, we don't have the 1 here. So we're going to go over to our text tool here. Click where we want the text to be. And then if we go over to our effects control, you can see we now have a section up here that says graphic. There's our text. And let's type in our text. We'll just type in the number 1. I'll highlight that. And now I've gone over under effects control to text. We'll change this to, I think Arial is a nice one. And we'll also change the fill color to that red, so it's similar. Maybe we'll make the 1 a little bit bigger. If I go over to this arrow key, I can actually literally move this where I want it to be. All right, that looks good. Now, if we look down here at the timeline, you can see that this is a lot longer than we need it to be. So I'm going to move my arrow key over till I get to the very edge. Do you see how we get that little bracket with an arrow? If I click on that, I can drag this over and line it up. Now let me show you something else that'll make it even easier. This is called the snap tool. We can do that by just pressing S. When that's highlighted, it's blue. And now when I drag over here, when it gets to that point, it snaps to it. All right. And we can see that the 1 comes in a little bit later. That's because it brought it in where I had the playhead, so we can just do the same thing on this side, drag that over, and now we've got 2 and 1.